we are showing up. Windy, low tide, so we're looking at the old shell line. Got the old baggy. This wasn't going to be a shelling trip, but it is. We were just going to walk the beach. Oh, look at that one. To watch the sunset. But I can't do that. That interests me for 2 seconds. And I want to look at shells. Much more interesting looking at shells. I don't know. The sunset's beautiful, but not really my thing. And there's another crab hole. Oh my god. 2 crab holes. That's gonna be a lot of creepy crabs later at night. They usually come out at night to scare the bejesus out of you when you're walking around. I don't know the name of this movie. Someone tell me. Did we see it at the theater? So we saw this movie. It's people going to the moon. Astronauts going to the moon. And they cross on the moon. And they turn out to be the alien crabs that kill everyone. And I don't think you realize that's what the movie was about. And I'm making it sound like it was like a, what is it called? D-level movie. And it wasn't. It was at the theater. So now, I call them moon crabs. So these rocks turn into moon crabs. They killed everyone. And you think it's a normal movie. Instead it's these moon crabs. Now it's just stuck with me so bad. Oh, this would have been nice. That every time I see big gray rocks, subconsciously I think they're going to turn into crabs. I know it makes no sense because it was just a movie. So what is that movie, people, that I'm talking about? It was actually pretty good once you got over the fact that it wasn't what you thought it was. It was an alien movie, but let's be real. The aliens were crabs. Moon crabs. And they killed everyone. Did they kill everyone in that crab? Yeah. Moon crabs. So I keep talking about crabs because not all movies stick with me, but for whatever reason, I think I was ticked that we paid that much for a box office movie at the theater, and it was crabs, alien crabs. It's like something you expect to be on Sci-Fi Channel at 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. Instead, we paid like $24 at the theater to watch it. You remember that, honey?
Yeah, that was a rookie.
A rook. See, he remembers it. Probably watched a bazillion movies, and that's the one that sticks out the most.
Then they must have done their job.
Moon crabs! Pretty sure no one else has seen the movie. If you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down below. But I'm pretty sure no one's going to comment. So if you've seen that movie with moon crabs, we might have been the only fools that paid for it. Oh man! Oh look, right next to it. Let's see what it doesn't shine. Shine needs to be washed off, but so now I have crabs on the mind. Well, there's a lot of crab holes. I don't remember Sanibel having that many crab holes. I know they will. That's what I'm talking about. They come out at night and scare you. They don't like bite or anything, I guess, as long as you don't get too close. I mean, I'm sure if you touch them, they'll bite you. As all animals will. Sun is still setting. The rain clouds disappeared. Oh, someone's flying a kite. I will have to say that's the first time I've seen that here. Yeah, in North Carolina, they had gift shops selling flags galore. Gift shops just selling flags. It's pretty cool. I got one. I got a pirate ship flag that I'll never use because it's beautiful and I don't want to ruin it. You ever do that? Buy something and never use it because you don't want to ruin it? When I was a kid, we used to call that saving for good. And you don't even know what good is. It means never. It means you never use it, and then someone sells it in an estate sale. 30 years later. That's what it means. Look at that. It's beautiful. Crab hole. We're actually finding some pretty unique ones. Definitely quality over quantity this trip. That's one of those like bugs. Those bugs. It's empty. It's usually not empty. There's usually a... This is going to be broken, but if it wasn't... Oh, that would have been a nice tulip. What'd you do, honey? Oh my god. That is awesome.
This is a disregarded pile. Nobody wants this pile.
Nobody wants this. There's like a pile of shells. So they're just like,
This one.
oh my god. 2 huge worms. I'm excited. Don't move. I'm gonna grab my bag. Coming back over there. Robert found another load. Oh, did you see another one? Are we playing the hot and cold game?
No, no more games.
No more games.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Oh, that one's nice. That would have been a nice tulip if it wasn't broken. Finding lots of wormy pieces. It makes me very happy. I'm gonna have to create a whole new jar for my wormy pieces because the last trip I filled it up. Look at that. Sticking right out. What's that? It's a broken piece. I'll take it. This is my braid that keeps getting in the way. Sorry. If you're all wondering what that brown thing is. My hair's long. Super, super long. So I put it in a braid.